Welcome to the heart of Iran, peaceful, timeless charm of Iranian village life. In the far corners of Iran's mountains, deserts and green valleys, lie villages that have remained largely untouched by time. Here, life moves slower, closer to nature and deeply rooted in tradition. In a small Iranian village, the rooster doesn't just crow, it announces the start of another honest day. Iran has over 60,000 villages, each shaped by its surroundings. In the north, villagers live in wooden homes surrounded by rice paddies and rain. In the south, adobe homes stand firm in the desert, shaded by towering palm trees. No two villages are the same, but they all share one thing: resilience. The sun rises over mud brick houses and smoke curls from clay ovens. Life here moves at a slower pace, centered around strong community ties, local festivals, and time-honored customs. Community and culture. Village residents are known for their hospitality. Visitors are welcomed with tea, fresh bread, and homemade dishes. Community ties are strong neighbors. Help each other during harvest weddings or building a home. Cultural customs, folk music, and seasonal celebrations bring people together and preserve the heritage passed down for centuries. Agriculture, the lifeblood of the village. Agriculture is at the heart of village life. Most families rely on farming, raising livestock, and working the land to sustain their lives. Key agricultural products include wheat and barley, staple grains for bread, bulgur and animal feed, olives and olive oil. Especially in the Aegean and Mediterranean regions, fruits like apricots, cherries, and pomegranates, grown in abundance and often dried or made into preserves, vegetables and herbs, grown in home gardens used in fresh and traditional dishes. Livestock farming, cows, goats, sheep, and chickens provide milk, meat, and eggs. Beekeeping common in mountainous regions, producing rich organic honey. Many villagers still live close to nature. They farm, make cheese, tend animals, and prepare food the traditional way. But it's not about living in the past. It's about valuing what matters: community self-sufficiency and balance.